Hi friends, come shop with me at Costco because I found some incredible clearance deals for August that you don't want to miss. I stopped by a few different Costco locations and found markdowns on dinnerware sets, a massager, shoes for both men and women, and so many other great finds. If you love Costco deals and clearance shopping, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. If you're currently in need of a new dinnerware set or you're going to a housewarming party, guys, check out this 12-piece stoneware dinnerware set I spotted at Costco Burbank. I found it going for $9.97. This price is incredible, by the way. At one point, it was going for $44.99. Definitely the lowest price I've seen. This location does have it in both colors, which are both really pretty. And let me show you guys here what's included in this set. So you get 4 dinner plates, 4 side plates, and 4 of the dinner bowls. Check out these personal sized sheet pans. These come as a set of 4. They're by Nordicware. Costco Montclair has them going for $9.97. At one point, these were going for $18.99, so I do think this is a pretty good price. This is 1/6 of a sheet, so they're small enough to fit like your toaster oven. You can use these, of course, for baking, for roasting, meal prep, and serving. Now, if you enjoy authentic wood smoked flavor at home, check out this kettle smoker that's indoor and outdoor by Nordicware. I found it going for $49.97. This is the same location, by the way, Costco Montclair. And at one point, it was going for $69.99. So it's a good price. It comes with the base, the lid, the smoking tray, has a thermometer, which is built in, by the way, to monitor temperature, of course. Has a high dome lid that fits larger cuts of meat, and it comes with 5 varieties of natural wood chips. Now this dinnerware set is a little bigger than the one I previously showed you, the one in the beginning of the video. This one right here is of 16 pieces. It's by Over and Back, and it's available in 2 colors. I found it going for $22.97. I'm noticing several Costco's continue to carry this product, and the price is pretty steady across the board. Let me know if you happen to find it at an even cheaper price. But at one point, it was going for $39.99. This is what it looks like. You can see you have dinner bowls, you have cereal bowls, you have the dinner plates and salad plates also included in this set. If you're looking for a gift for someone that owns a Blackstone griddle, check out this one. That is the 16-piece ultimate kit. At Costco Burbank, I found it going for $19.97. The original price of this product is of $37.99. And let me show you guys everything that is included. So again, you get a total of 16 pieces. It comes with 2 stainless steel spatulas, 2 squeeze bottles. You also get a griddle scraper and a griddle scoop included. And it also comes with the egg rings, 2 round and 2 square. It comes with scrub pads and the scrub pad handle for cleaning. So of course you can use this for breakfast, burger, stir fry, and more. I also spotted the Tiger rice cooker / warmer on sale at Costco. And this one cooks up to 5.5 cups of uncooked rice. I found it with $25 off, guys, through August 9th. So it went from $100 down to $74.99. Has a timer function. It also automatically switches to keep warm for up to 12 hours. And it has 10 cooking menu settings. So for white rice, brown rice, porridge, slow cook, steam, and more. And also it includes a recipe book, a rice spatula, and then of course the cooking plate. Ooh, here's another good one. This is the Percussion Hot and Cold Reach Percussion Massager that comes with 6 speed settings with an LED display. I found it going for $29.97. This Costco Montclair, by the way. Lowest price I've seen. At one point, it was going for $89.99. So this price right here is a steal, really. It has the extension handle that helps you reach your back and shoulders. It has 5 interchangeable massage attachments as well. And it has a USB-C rechargeable battery with up to 2 hours of runtime. At Costco Burbank, I came across Corksicle that's available as a 2-pack. This one at one point was going for $28.99, and Costco Burbank has these going for $16.97. Keep in mind you're getting 2 different cups. You get the Cruiser and the Go cups. Of course, it's a 2-pack. These are made with premium stainless steel construction. And the Cruiser Cup does feature a comfortable handle for easy carrying. And these are designed to fit most standard cup holders. They have a splash resistant lid to help prevent spills. So you can definitely use these while commuting, work, travel, workouts, or whenever you're running errands. Check out these 16-inch pizza pans. These are by Nordic Ware. They come as a set of two, and you get two styles included. You get one perforated, one smooth. They're oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Costco Chino Hills, guys, has them going for $6.97. At one point, these are going for $19.99. So imagine they went from $20 down to pretty much $7. So this is a steal right here. If you love making homemade pizza or you like making flatbreads or even just for frozen pizzas, this could be a good kitchen addition. I also came across these huge Yankee candles. These are 60-ounce candles, by the way. They have $15 off through August 9th. They went from 40 down to $24.99. So a good time to add them to your cart in case you've been wanting them. They did have 2 scents, Warm Luxe Cashmere and Sage and Citrus. Both smell really good. These would definitely make your home smell fresh and cozy. Here is something I haven't seen marked down before. This is the Taylor two-piece digital thermometer bundle. I found it in Costco Montclair going for $16.97, although the original price is of $19.99. It's not too much of a difference just yet, but the price is definitely headed in the right direction. This bundle right here comes with 2 digital thermometers. So it definitely provides quick temperature readings. It has a large digital display that makes temperatures easy to read. You can use these while grilling steaks, burgers, chicken, turkey, and roast. It has a water-resistant design that helps with everyday kitchen use. Now, when it comes to shoes, guys, keep your eyes open. These are for ladies. They're the Adidas Cloudfoam Flex sneakers. I found them going for $19.97. This is a price drop, guys. At one point, these were going for $36.99. They have a cloudfoam cushioning for a soft, comfortable feel. They're lightweight, so you can definitely use these for walking, running errands, traveling, and everyday activities. I did spot them in white, and you can see sizes were a little bit limited here. I did spot a lot of size 9, a few 10, and then only one size 8. I'm noticing that several Costco's continue to carry the Cloudfoam Flex sneakers, but for men, and you can see they carry them in 2 colors. But guys, I noticed there's a price drop here as well. $19.97. I love this. At one point, these are going for $36.99, and these are the 2 colors. Costco has them in navy blue and also in black. Now, let me just warn you, the price you're about to see is amazing. This is Costco Burbank, but I did spot very limited sizes. Look at this price. The Gerry men's shoe, found them going for $8. Wow, that's an incredible deal. At one point, these were going for $28.99. So imagine finding sneakers for $8, guys. Wow. I'm impressed. When it comes to sizing, though, I did spot 3 pairs of size 12. Is anyone in need of towels? I did come across these kids' beach towels. They only had the unicorn ones left, but these are priced at $4.97 though. They're 60 by 30 inches. They're machine washable and 100% cotton. At one point, these were going for $9.99. Once again, Costco Montclair and Costco in general seems to have a limited stock for the product. This is the ultimate American birthday cake. Costco Chino Hills. I found this one going for $4.97. Let me know what you guys think about this price. But it does have a couple of different layers to the cake itself. You can see it has blueberry buttercream. Then it also has the cheesecake, and then you get a strawberry cake on the bottom. And then right in the middle, you also get the apple crumb pie. At Costco Montclair, I came across this better than marinade everything seasoning. This one's interesting. I found it going for $1.97. It's a 32-ounce bottle, and the original price is of $9.99. So once again, Costco Montclair and Costco in general seems to have a limited stock for the product. It says here 1 tablespoon is 25 calories, and it has 210 milligrams of sodium. It's definitely not often when one comes across a whole mopping kit at a clearance price. This is the Swiffer Power Mop, and it's going for 19.97 at Costco Montclair. At one point, it was going for 31.99. So it's a good price already. Here's everything that is included. You get one power mop with batteries, you get 8 of the mopping pad refills, and you also get 2 of the cleaning solutions.